Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, at sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita.
Kepada semua pelawat, kami mengucapkan selamat datang ke Malaysia dan kepada warga negara, selamat pulang ke tanah air.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video and sobrang saya kong i-share ang vlog na ito because this is my biggest dream. Welcome to my first solo international trip to Malaysia! After 4 hours na biyahe, nakarating na ako ng Malaysia and yung expenses ko, 4,900 pesos back and forth plane ticket plus 1,600 na travel tax. To be honest, wala talaga akong idea how to navigate the airport pero yung sa isip ko, basta alam kong magtanong at merong Grab, I'm gonna be okay. Buti na lang may Grab pa rin dito past midnight and I paid around 1,200 pesos going to Kuala Lumpur. I'll be staying here in Revo Backpackers only for tonight and I booked it in Agoda for only 500 pesos per night. Pagkagising ko, naghanap muna ako ng charger kasi iba pala yung outlet nila dito and cord na ginagamit.
This one 35. In front of the KLCC Tower. That's for KLCC. It's Petronas Towers pala.
Nag-breakfast lang ako dito sa Daily Dose Cafe harap ng Petronas Towers and I spent around 25 ringgit or 400 pesos. One thing I like about Malaysia, kung gaano karami yung magagandang buildings nila, ganun din karami yung mga puno. After hours of walking, in-enjoy ko muna ang tumambay dito sa Zeus Coffee para makipag-charge ng phone and mag-work ng konti.
Come solo.
Yeah, first out of the country and I'm alone. 1 hour just to get there.
1 hour.
Yeah. Lumabas na ako ng hostel, so I'm going to my new hostel. It's Travelog around Bukit Bintang. Alam nyo, yung weather dito sa Malaysia, mas mainit pa compared dyan sa Pilipinas. Pero, wala eh. It's late. Hindi mo carry naka-centralized aircon. Sakto! This is your hop-on hop-off bus.
Secure na natin yung ticket ko sa hop-on hop-off bus this evening.
Nag-book na ako sa Klook, so diretso na. I already got it!
Buti na lang talaga, sobrang ganda ng mga pinili kong location ng mga hostels ko. Like, malapit lang siya sa lahat. Sa totoo lang. Mahirap lang talaga maglakad kasi I'm using black shoes. Sobrang sakit na ng paa ko, so I need to buy. What? No. It's okay. It's only 20 cents? Okay, I'll just get it. I got sandals kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya yung sakit ng paa ko. Actually, bumili ako noon sa Pilipinas pero iniwan ko kasi kala ko mag-over baggage. Pero di naman nila kinilo yung mga ano. Pero di naman nila kinilo yung baggage ko noon. So sayang. Sa remembrance.
So, yung pinili kong hostel ko is, like ito na yung pinaka parang sentro ng Bukit Bintang and yun na. So, this is Travelog Hostel and nabook ko rin siya sa Agoda for 600 pesos for night. This is definitely way better than Revo Backpackers and location-wise, malapit siya sa lahat. Sentro, literal. So right now, I am in Merdeka Square and dito daw nila dineclare yung independence from the British colony. Sightseeing lang naman yung makikita dito pero yeah, I love the architecture here. Now, plano kong puntahan is yung River of Life and then Petaling if mahanap ko, I'm not sure. And if may time pa kasi may hop on hop off pa ako sa 7:30 PM. Ano mo, yung gusto kong i-try ngayon is I wanna try street foods like yung random lang na food na mahanap sa gilid-gilid. Pero wala pa akong nakikita so far, like walang mga vendors na nagkalat kasi in short, malinis. We're going to try this. Ito yung River of Life at itinuturing itong lugar kung saan isinilang ang Kuala Lumpur. Dati rin itong maduming gaya ng Pasig ngunit nilinis na nila ito at naging tourist attraction na rin kapag gabi dahil sa magagandang ilaw. Malapit rin dito ay ang Central Market na itinayo pa noong 1888. Wala. Bilihan ng mga souvenir. Last activity ko ay hop on hop off bus. Alam nyo bang matagal ko na tong fantasy kasi lagi akong nakita ng video sa TikTok. Nabook ko to sa Klook ng 1,250 pesos for a 2-hour city tour. We're waiting for our hop on hop off bus. 7:30 yung call time pero 7:30 na wala pa. The bus is here. Close pa lahat mostly ng stores and wala pang masyadong tao. Pansin ko dito sa Malaysia kahit 9 AM na parang 6 AM pa rin natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Siguro dahil late na rin sila natutulog dahil sobrang vibrant ng nightlife dito. And ito talaga yung number 1, sobrang linis lagi ng paligid kahit saan ka pumunta. Para lang rin Pilipinas pero mas pinaganda at mas pinalinis. Sobrang init pero at this point wala na akong pakialam. Nasa Kuala Lumpur na ako. Eh, ang dami ng tao. Dapat pala inagahan ko. We're here now in Batu Caves and somehow nanis ako sa sarili ko na I'm doing it alone and ako lang talaga gumawa lahat ng itinerary. Basta may grab talaga kaya naman. Init actually pero at this point I don't care for umitim ako kasi I'm here. We're getting close. Parang hirap pag-picture mag-isa. Ito yung odds ng pagka-travel alone. Since this is just once in a lifetime, I'm gonna climb the stairs. 400 plus steps. Sobrang stiff. What the fuck? Wala nang bandog. Sobrang nakakapagod. Ganda lang siya.
Ganun yung mga presyo nila. Yung fairness, mura. So,
So magte-train na ako pabalik ng sentro kasi mas mura. Yung grab ko kanina 34 ringgit pero dito sa train 2.60 ringgit lamang. And ang gamit-gamit ko lang ay yung GCash card ko. Sobrang ganda ng public transportation system dito kaya rin siguro walang masyadong traffic.
Hingga kejamnya waktu menarik paksa kau dari pelukku, lalu kita kembali berhubung rasa rindu, saling mengirim doa sampai nanti sayangku. 回り出した残った僕の未来が
my God! Buti na lang talaga pumunta ako dito.
やり直せたら回り出したの
Grabe. I just love this street kasi puro cafe. And as a person who likes trying out cafes, this is like heaven for me.
If I were to describe my personality, this video will definitely show it. If people would want to join the crowd and go to busy tourist spaces, I would always choose to be somewhere peaceful. Gaya ngayon, people may see this as boring, but for me, I'm enjoying and my heart is so full right now.
僕が意外さ空でどっかをまた練り歩けたらなぜ
Technique ko talaga, basta nagka-cafe hopping ako, I go to a cafe for a drink and then another cafe for food para ma-maximize ko yung pera ko. Super spicy pala nung mee goreng. Like, di ko in-expect na ganun siya ka-spicy. Actually, ang daming streets dito ng puro Indian restaurants. And papalayo na ako doon kasi di ko na talaga kaya. Nagpapanggap lang ako na na-enjoy ko pero hindi ko talaga na-enjoy yung mga food dito kasi iba talaga, ewan. Wala pa akong na-try na food na masarap talaga na na-enjoy ko. Wala pa.
Ang last ko na kakainan ay Chivit Chiva. Ang daming nag-recommend dito sa TikTok kasi masarap daw yung shaved ice nila. Yung presyo nito ay around 20 ringgit din or around 300 pesos and i-prepare nyo na lang lagi yung GCash card ninyo kasi convenient siya gamitin. Alam nyo, there's always something about their food na mapapasabi ka na ay galing Malaysia to, ganun. Medyo nahihirapan pa mag-adjust yung taste bud ko pero masarap naman siya.
I had a really nice experience with Chowkit. If you're an introvert talaga and gusto mo lang mag-chill, malayo from the crowd, this is definitely the place to go. And wala, ang ganda dito. Puro cafes lang. Pero maaga silang nag-close. Hinihintay ko na lang yung grab ko. So right now, I am in Alamanda Shopping Center. This is a mall in Putrajaya. So I came here because I know that in Kuala Lumpur, like at Bukit Bintang Park, it's all gonna be malls. Like pataasan talaga ng buildings, a lot of people. So it's like, it's better if I go in around the mall outside of there. So yeah, I'm here right now in Putrajaya, trying to like explore things here. Alam mo, if there's one thing about me, I like being random. Like, I'm just sitting in a random place, in a random mall, in a random province, parang ganun. And I like it, you know? Like, it's amazing. Like, how are you sitting in a random place in Malaysia at this moment?
So for today, nandito ako sa Putrajaya and sinadya ko talagang pumunta dito because I know it's going to be this peaceful. Marami na akong nakitang videos nito sa internet kaya naman nilagay ko na siya sa bucket list ko. Papatapos na tong trip na to and I'm just grateful for everything that has happened in this trip. Every moment spent, parang there's a part of me that's being held. You know, I grew up poor na makakain lang sa Robinson. Sobrang achievement na yun sa akin. And ngayon, I can't believe I'm giving this to myself.
When the wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my mind, and the rivers flow like the world has told them not to stop, stand my ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let go.
Every time na nagtra-travel ako, I always think about my family and my friends kasi I always want to share the experience and the happiness in my heart. So I hope na through this vlog at least man lang ma-feel nyo yung nafe-feel ko and I would be even be happier if kayo naman yung susunod. Ayun lang, I hope you enjoyed this video and I would appreciate it if you leave a like and a comment. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!
Hear the sounds, take a